You know, there's some games that you watch now. We born yes, and the away team actually deserved to lose this game because the home team they were just brilliant, right? Then there's the Mexico versus Bafana game, and from the perspective of Bafana, we both did Bafana put their best foot forward? Did they play their best football on the night? And for me, Bafetu, the answer is no. You know what I'm saying? You look at the approach from a coach Hugo Bros. Bafetu, I mean, I blame approach. I mean, the guy selected 11 defenders. What do you expect, Bafetu? You get what I'm saying? The starting 11 will have more defensive players than attacking players, right? Because from his initial 26-man squad, he selected more defenders than attackers, right? But my biggest problem is you've seen the first half and you've seen what has transpired in the first half. We actually gave them that lead, Bafetu, because it was a mistake from Uyaya Stole. He couldn't control the ball and all that, right? But in the second half, try and push Mexico. This Mexico team, Bafetu, wasn't dangerous. I've watched in Mexico at the World Cup, Bafetu, and for me, this Mexican team, I think now, my fans, if they are honest, they will say, we don't expect anything special from this current group of Mexican players. Because mina ngibukele iMexico yabo Giovanni Dos Santos 2010. Ngayibukela iMexico yabo Hernandez from 2014 till 2018, right? And that Mexican team, you could see good, okay, Lana, they are cooking something. But this one, Bafetu, for me, I don't know. I wanna those substitutions from us, Bafetu. Yo. I mean, a player like we has told Bafetu, yeah, you don't wanna blame him a lot because I mean it's his first World Cup, stage fright and all that. But Coach Hugo Bros could have protected the player a little bit better. I mean, Uyaya Stole didn't deserve to come back in the second half. You get what I'm saying? And Nemanje, unfortunately, is gonna get the backlash. And yeah, World Cup we've got 2 games that we still going to play. But I mean, 2 yellow cards for Bafana. Yeah, salute Bafetu.
As Bafetu, I would have preferred ukuthi Bafana idliwe the game, but having played football. Because I couldn't besibukela up. What was the point of being so defensive if still sizodliwa? So why not singadliwa but sibedlalile ibhola mfethu? Ubugwala obungaka ubani from Hugo Bros, because the way in which we qualified for the World Cup should be the same way in which we play the World Cup. As long as I qualify ngale system lena. We didn't use this system to qualify for the World Cup. Abombokas baya overlap. How, dog? Sidlala ngo-Foster no Reyners. Into esingakaze siyenze. Sidlala ngama-CM awu-3. uJaden Adams, uSithole noMkwena. Into esingakaze siyenze. Imvamisa kuvama ukuba it's either no 10 or ne-winger to give us an outlet. Sibe kusiyafoster ukuthi umdawu benomudiba to play as ama-wing back. Sibe sibona ukuthi abakhona ukurecover in time. Drop one center back, push a back 4, ufaka ama-wingers, push the game. Kwenzakalani bafethu? Amajita, they were caught ball watching. Goal less 2, khona le out shy run in deep. Ibhola lisuka kwa left, liya kwa right. Agekho kunama defender u3, but alikho nelilodwa defender el-tracker down that guy oshaya in deep. What was the point of playing 3 center backs if none of them are going to track the people down? Questionable approach.
Full-time score in the FIFA World Cup opening game: Mexico 2, Bafana 0. 2 red cards, Bafana, 1 red card, Mexico. And I just want to come here and say well done to every player who played for Bafana today. You guys gave it your 100%. You guys applied yourselves. You guys came to the party as you were required to. You were just sabotaged. You were sabotaged because you were all played out of possession. Even the players who got the red cards, they got those red cards because they were exposed to unusual situations. Sithole doesn't normally find himself in a position whereby he has to defend a one-on-one. Not even a one-on-one, because the player was already ahead of him. He had to do something. In fact, Sithole was sabotaged from the minute he was selected for the national team, knowing that he's not even top 100 players in South Africa, knowing that he's not a World Cup material, not a Bafana material for that matter. So he was sabotaged from that moment. Sabotaging a 36-year-old. How do you change a game with a 36-year-old? I've already asked that question. Also got sent off because he was under pressure, frustrated. To slap a player like that, it's frustration because you are exposed to unusual situations. How do you change the game with me when I don't even play at Sundowns? Why do you play me against young boys? Those young guys that have had a lot of energy, how do you expose me to them? Exposed to the scouts watching all around the world, embarrassed. The national team of South Africa was embarrassed by the coach. Coach doesn't know South African football culture. That's all I.
Disappointed is an understatement. Angazi ukuthi ngathi ngizizwa kanjani. Kodwa nje such a special moment being ruined kanjena. Nkosi yami angazi ukuthi ngithi ngizizwa ngibathonge. Ngizizwa nje ngindima Cheroni. Nkosi. Ngizizwa nginda. Mexico 2, South Africa 0. I'm being distracted because I also want to hear what the other guys are saying. I would have approached the game the exact same way at the back. I would have started with back 5, exactly how Hugo Broos started the game. I would have approached it the same way. The only difference I was going to make was in the middle of the park, play a creative player instead of playing Amatri CDMs. There was no need there. But yabona move I bengizofaka back 5 mfethu futhi phambili bengizofaka ama strikers out too, and then add a creative player in the middle of the park. I felt sorry for our fullbacks because they had a lot of width to cover, and Umudao plays better when there's a winger in front of him. And Mutiba guys, angwazi nokuyi-analyze le game le ingiphatha kabi ngoba in the first 3 minutes of the game we're able to break in transition. Why are you not making a pass kahle? I need you want to pass into an open space. I'm name dropping Forster and the pass kahle. I need you want to pass into an open space. Why are you not looking up to see how much power you need to make a pass? We could have been 1-0. The reason I would have approached the leg game the same way is because first of all, you are playing away. You are playing with players who are playing a World Cup for the first time in a stadium packed with Abantu that have been booing them since it warm up. So you want to make sure that they are conservative, right? They are able to not sit back. No, that's a mistake that a lot of people are making. If we lalang back 5, you are inviting. No, you are not inviting any pressure. You are just making sure that you are not conceding at least in the first 30 minutes of the game, because those are the minutes that matter the most for our players to acclimatize with the tempo of the game and also with the opponent, right? So ukubadlalisa leya formation was for their own benefit, ukuthi banga concede early, because badlala away, banga concede early, abajwayele tempo ye game, behle ama nerves. They were very nervous in the first minutes of the game, yabo. So beko I benefits ukuthi ehlekisana ama nerves ni ubona umdlalo ukuthi unjani, and then once you guys see, then we can make those changes. Sishintshe formation so long as don't are one ga one. Mina anginankinga nala formation. It just needed players that were gonna execute it. Great plan, but lacking the personnel to execute it. Because now, Nkosi yami, Ronza, anginankinga nala pass yakho, but uma dlala nemagesi. Awuyishaye kuleya zone ipass uma dlala nemagesi. I understand ukuthi uSithole invited leya pass. He availed himself for leya pass. Naye ne first touch bafethi first touch enjani leyana. Yeah, the game was a very difficult one for me to watch. I'm not gonna lie, not because we're playing a hard opponent, but Yabo Uklokozu consider early completely ruined our game plan, and then we gifted them a goal. We are gifting them a goal. It's fine. We go to halftime. Second half we are being given a red card. So now it's messing up your game plan. Yabo, it's messing up your game plan because we could have changed from layer 5-3-2 to E4-3-3. Says invite our attackers A2. Uma says funa ukaba, let's go. But now it's impossible to stick to the game plan. Umusudala with less players, we get even more red cards. It's hard to change information and put in the right personnel because you are trying to constantly recover from the mistakes. Red card. I'll probably make another video about this. Baby, right to press in Mexico. They were pressing us. We could have pressed them too. The press was very great, and also they were calmer because home advantage again. So we can't compare in terms of calmness yabo. Nina nifuna ukudlala nge-back four. Do you see how easily it was for them to completely unlock i-defense yethu sibe sidefenda nga-5 people? Nifuna ukudlala nge-back four bese sinqaka 5 goal. Ngeke madoda.
Angivumelani naye mfethu Solwazi nje ngiqala ngiqala ukuthi yasho something ngavumelani naye.
Everything is questionable. Questionable lineup, questionable formation, questionable subs. Substitution, questionable. Questionable tactics if abekhona. Hugo Bros akanawo ama-tactics bafethu mekuwukuthi akhona a-questionable. Moya wami uphansi ngidumele ngidangele ngiphoxekile. Yazi mfethu yabo nje bafethu izinto ezikanje ayidingakali bafethu. Yini bafethu lento ekade yenzakala lapha? Yabona bafethu no wingers, no attacking midfield. Shuthi ngesikhathi ekhipha i-line up ubebatshela ebusweni ukuthi angenithembi. 5 defenders, 3 CDMs. For what mfethu? Defendani kunilnili bafethu. Yazi mfethu yabo madala bafethu. Le game angisoze ngayikhohlwa bafethu empilweni yami ayikho into nje. Madala bafethu sikhanda bafethu akasiboni mfethu yasidelela yasihlonipha. Questionable, everything is questionable. Ngabe ngithi hayi usakhona umunye 2 games manje anginalo ithemba. Uma ngithi nginethemba kulo 2 games osele ngizothi ngilithatha ngiboneni ile nginikeze ithemba. Angikholwa ukuthi kwi half time siye kwi half time wabuyisa labo bantu wangawenza ama changes mfethu. Kwi half time usho ukuthi ubone yonke into right. Usithole bafethu besabuyela ni second half. Kuba phela mfethu keep usithole keep i-center back eyodwa mfethu ufake i-attacking midfielder ne-winger mase ukhipha i-striker sodwa ufaka mfethu elinye i-winger sidlale mfethu i-formation yethu esijwayele. Manje sihlala igame yamagwala yabona bafethu madala bafethu. Okay sekuzophela igame umuntu awuwini free kick umkwena uzoyishaya njengenjwayelo uyambiza uzama plan abangasile uzothi akayishaya isithende ayinika umbokazi yini leyo nto why complicate izinto faka ibhola eboxini mfethu yabona bafethu yazini bafethu kodwa nje angisoze ngahila mfethu kulento iMexico mfethu amathule ama-chances ewatholile mfethu bekamaphutha ethu. Okay igoli lesibili ke i-defense ethu ibilate our defense was ball watching but kuleli goli lokuqala usithole mfethu wenza into engekho and iMexico bis-analyze kahle bafethu.
Yeah, that's what I said.
High press Williams ningamniki ithuba lokuthi acabange mase break iwind. I-defense yethu nje mfethu ibingahlalisekile lapha emuva. I-midfield yethu ungayiphi chance. Yabona nje mfethu I will never heal from this.
Full-time review, full-time score. 2-0. Mexico has defeated South Africa 2-0. 1 billion people were watching this. Abuka abantu abangakanani bebuka le nonsense. Yini leti siyidlala mfethu. Wow, Bafana, you've really outdone yourself. Coach Hugo Bros, I'm sure you are very happy. 3 red cards, more red cards than goals. Kodwa ke phela lokho ngeke ngibeke wena mina ngikubeka lo 2 red cards lo. Did you know ukuthi South Africa beka nje record esesilisetile. Buka nje record esesilisetile ngenxa ka bafethu ulethe experience kuBafana. Uletha i-experience kuBafana uzosiza iBafana idlale kangcono. Yasadlala game. Red card means 2 games azobe banned on. Lo 2 games or ama group stages. Shishi, you might as well pack up and ubuye nosole. Uyazi mina labafethu besaqokwa to abahambe beye e-USA bowu-2 khona nabanye abazoflopha, I'm sure abazoflopha nabo kwamagame azayo. Ngazi ukuthi i-universe isenzele iqiniso because laba bafethu bowu-2 if we're being honest guys, laba bafethu bowu-2 bebengadeserve kwi-World Cup, bebengakudeserve. Yabona nje lo mshithi he's been out of form for 3 years. 3 years he's been out of form. Kodwa-ke asimbizeni usithole umshishi awushika nabo ukushika 2 red cards ayikazi lo nto yabonakala emlandweni. Opening game 2 red cards. Wow bafana you've really outdone yourself. Maybe ngihash kodwa okay khona into engayibona enziwe e-Ivory Coast kwi-AFCON 2020 AFCON baliyana wavela naxosha ucoach opening match. Emva kwalapho Ivory Coast yenza kahle, ngisho ukuthi soyina i-World Cup yawin AFCON, ngisho ukuthi soyina i-World Cup kodwa sowenza kangcono. This guy must resign, he needs to resign. And le World Cup le ngesikhunjulo ngo2-0 ukuthi Mexico kwakhunjwe la red card athole bafana ukuthi yazama equalizer ngama red card u2-0. Hell is that? Hey
Let's hit bafethu for video yanamhlanje. And njengoba nje mfethu nibona bafethu sonke siyi-country we are disappointed. Sidisappointekile and mfethu yazi mfethu I looked at i-group yethu when we went to draw and I thought to myself i-team esingayishaya la i-Mexico. If we manage to beat Mexico, then maybe draw against Czechia, because bad labantu be-Czechia mfethu bayakora ngama-headers ngama-corner ama-free kick, so thina asikwazi ukwa-defend, asikwazi ukwaskora futhi ama-free kick nama-corner, so it's gonna be hard ukudlala against Czechia. I-South Korea-ke nje bethu bane-stamina-ke nje labantu bagijima waya ama-China mfethu. Bafethu awuluphuza kasiboni ngempela bafethu, I don't wanna lie. Lento ukuthi mayiphuma bafethu angikholwanga bafethu into engiyibonayo dog. I didn't believe my eyes. What do you mean mfethu ufake uSibisi, Okone, uMbokazi, uMdawu, uMdiba, khona uYaya at the same time, khona uMkwena. I'm disappointed mfethu ku-Bruce mfethu. I'm disappointed ku-Bruce and kubo bonke abantu who kept saying vele ukuthi they can't wait for Bruce ukuthi ahambe to see the new Bafana. Nami sengihamba nani bafethu. Dala mfethu Bruce ngimkhulumela ngithi uBruce mfethu usenzele okuningi, and sure Bruce has done a lot for us country, bro. He's done a lot for us country, but right now no because ibhola biselela namhlanje mfethu asilazi. We have never witnessed lela bhola lela alidlalwa i-Sundowns, alidlalwa i-Pirates, even i-Chiefs ayidlali kanje mfethu. Even Chiefs doesn't play like that. Equally mfethu bezoqhamuka igoli, like who was supposed to be the creative player who's gonna create ama-chances for abanye abantwana egroundini? Who was supposed to be the creative mastermind egroundini for thina? Who? Shuthi uMkwena was supposed to defend and also go and assist. Because there's no way Usitolo was going to do that, and there's no way Adams was going to do that. Adams is sure we are correct like now and then, but ayena umuntu ongathembela yena ukuthi acreate or score. Umkwena ungathembela because sometimes he shows up emagameni amakhulu, but mfethu Bruce mfethu no bafethu. Ayabona nje mfethu bafethu ku-late bafethu ngifuna ukulala mina manje bafethu nini. Le World Cup bafethu ayiphela bafethu kwi-PSL bafethu. Thina bafethu i-South Africa bafethu sirathi bafethu sidlala i-PSL, sidlala kwi-CAF, because phela bafethu uBruce wenze ngathi kube ngathi thina we can't compete, because into ayenze namhlanje bafethu ubugwala like pure ubugwala. Bafethu azini bafethu, make sure na subscribe and comment bafethu. Uzobona ku part 2 and I'll keep making ama videos World Cup look yama bafethu. ngiyabonga to everybody who subscribed so far, olikeayo, commentayo. You guys like really play a huge role kule channel ukuthi ikhule, so ngiyabonga kakhulu. And yeah, ngizonibona ngigame ezayo bafethu, and hopefully we win.